Snipers HQ, where we calibrate the soul. Snipers HQ, where we calibrate the soul. Master the emotion, then we tally back the goal. Confluence rising, look at how the level stack. Sniper discipline, never looking back. Snipers HQ, stay focused.
What's up, snipers? Your boy Ab, and I'm back with another one. How are you feeling? That's amazing. I love that for you. I feel amazing too myself. Incredible. I feel phenomenal. Oh god. All right, so let's get right into it. Right, I'm gonna share my screen with y'all. I know y'all probably been already tired hearing my voice. Like, damn, could you just get on with it? Every time you get on here, you just gotta talk. Every time. So we are going to pull up our 10-year. Let's look at our 10-year. We need to pay attention to our bonds, right? I watched these recessions and stuff, try to study them. The bond yield is what cracks the market back. And then once it does that, it's hunched down. That's what makes it bleed. The bonds is the trigger. So this isn't just a standard weekend pullback. If we look at the macro bond market behind the scenes, Japan's 10-year just ripped to a 29-year high at 2.73%. That is not something small at all. Where do we get we want to convert our money into yen, right? And then purchase assets and stuff. Yeah, now like yen is so expensive now. That's not even the place to run to get cheap bonds no more. The US 10-year is sitting at 4.59%. What does that mean? Well, it means liquidity is unactively being drained from the system and pulled out of the market. Generals like Mag 7s, the NVDA, Apple, and Google. The stage 4 of the 1987 Fractal is active right now. If you are buying long positions blindly here, you are playing a very, very dangerous game. And I'm here to tell you that. So if we look at SPY, they better hope we don't gap down. Because if we go to the daily, do we got 2 candles up here? Get this already. Nasty. 4 hours shows island top reversal. 2 candles up here, gap down here. This is an island top reversal. This is a bearish pattern. It's how you spot like tops. It's not 100%, of course. Nothing in the market is 100%. So where's my 10? My 10 is at $741.30. That's on the daily. $735.20. So the exact battle plan for the week is we have to pay attention to $740.74. That's the trigger. If we get a daily red close below that level, it confirms the macro flush down to 710. I practice what I preach too. I'm already in position. You heard. I'm in the SPY June 5th 680 puts. We are hunting this Monday open, but we wait for the trigger though. We wait for the trigger to set off, and once that set off, we just sit back and relax. So now we'll get into NVDA. I actually pulled something, and there's whispers going on that NVIDIA's revenue bar they're looking to hit 78.4 billion to 80 billion with an implied move of 6.82%. So we got that in a 738 wall. With NVIDIA earnings this week and the 2.48 put to call ratio, the market makers are expecting massive velocity. If you try to guess your contract sizes in this kind of implied volatility, you're going to get wiped out on one single fake out, more than likely. So that's why I built this sniper's risk console, right? What is a sniper's risk console? So a sniper's risk console is a risk management tool that we created at Snipers HQ. Doesn't that make sense? Right? So it's very simple. You'll just type in, so pretend we're in the market. We know our total account, 5,000. How much you want to risk? 2%. Okay. Look how quick this is. How much was your contract worth? My contract was worth 2.50. How much is that? That's $250 because we got to put it in like a broker. You can't do it like this. You're putting the entry price, so how much your contract was, then how much you're willing to lose. If you want to lose $50, then you would do entry price minus stop loss price. So that'd be so the entry price would be $250, and if I only want to lose $50, then I know my stop loss price has to be at $200, 2.00. All you do is just enter that. As soon as you put 5,000, you want to risk 2%, it automatically tells you your dollar risk is $100. That's what you should be risking. So now it's telling me I could grab 2 of these contracts, right? It's telling me I could buy 2 of these contracts, and what is position sizing? It's how much you're paying for that play. It's telling me that I'll be paying $500 for that play, right? This is amazing. This will keep you in the game. With this level of macro volatility hitting the tape, one bad size choice tomorrow will wipe out your whole entire portfolio. Like, it's so easy to blow an account. We know that. Many of us blew an account. If you didn't yet, it's a yet, right? Hopefully you don't blow your account. But why take the chance when there's tools to help you not blow your account? You cannot hit these big targets if you blow your account anyway. So I'm showing you the tool I use to stay alive. Look at this console right here, how I just input the numbers and within seconds. You can put this in within 15, 20 seconds. I'm not guessing. I'm not showing any emotions, because guess what? If I say I want to risk $100, right? So I'll put 1.00 is how much? So $100. Oh no, 1.00. If I say that, it's going to tell me 0. What is 0? Max contracts say 0 means you can't afford it, right? So this is amazing. 13 people already from the Discord and YouTube already got theirs, right? This is a $32 special tier. It's a few spots left. And once we hit 100 copies, it resets to $45 permanently. The link will be pinned at the top of the description and in the comments. So go ahead and grab yours and watch the walkthrough inside, and let's respect the math tomorrow. So that's what I got for that. And then this isn't for the public yet, but this has been amazing. It's targeting the gamma wall. I have the gamma here. I'm looking to see what the Wells is doing, plus the macro. It tells us what's going on. The macro news like PPI, all of that stuff. Then we got the geopolitical news right here. Very important. This isn't released to the market yet. We're doing the trial on it. Make sure we hit at a successful win rate. But eventually we will be dropping that. And then we'll go to Ram's channel. So, you know, there's other sites out there. There's other sites out there, but why are you using those other sites when you have to pay a monthly fee, right? Come here to ramsoffthecharts.com and take advantage of this wonderful, amazing website while it's free. Because eventually, you know, we will be charging a small fee on here just to keep it running. You basically will be investing in us to keep it running, basically, because Ram's putting a lot of work on this or whatever, so he's going to make sure that the price is affordable for everyone. But I'm just saying, it's free right now. Take advantage of it. So now I'm gonna show you something that you guys can't get to. You see that loading sign? We're in the sniper's terminal. So now we got 1.30 billion 740 call wall right here, but we're gonna have to still check. I like to check around 9:15 to see where the call and put walls is. So we got 1.30 billion there, and then look down here at the 737, 1.20 billion, That's going to act as a floor, right? Where are they defending? That 738 level. Look, oh, my apologies. Look at this, 5.54 billion. Ooh. And then look, the terminal, don't lie. Wells defending 738 wall, bullish floor. Wow, that is crazy. Wow. So 737, man, we gotta snap that. Well, 738, we gotta snap that. When we got 740, we're pinned basically. You seen it, 738 to 742. You seen us pinned. And yeah, check out this website. He added something new. It's called the Radar. And if you don't know nothing about this website, or if you're having trouble operating the Radar, scanning tactical matrix, super fire. Go ahead and look at the bottom right there. You can see you'll be able to click on a video, and that video is Rams breaking down, explaining exactly what the Radar is and what it does. And on top of that, you can still manage your risk and go over here and grab you that console right there that I was telling you about. You forgot? That fast? You need to keep up, dog. You shouldn't be forgetting stuff like that. That's like forgetting your key when you get in the car and you gotta go back and go get that key. That's the same thing with here. You gotta go back and go grab that risk console and shit. You done blew the account already. All right. So while we're on this topic, we'll talk about our amazing Discord. And also we do have a Snipers HQ X channel. So if you love hearing me talk about what I think the market will do, or like SLB while I'm in a specific trade, all that good stuff. If you want to know if any new products is coming out, if you're not in the Discord, you want to know about any new products, you'll go ahead and follow our X, Snipers Command, at Snipers Command right here. And it's called Snipers HQ. Of course, baby. And then up here we got the terminal, we got the risk console. Feel me? We tracking where the big money is going. They're not smart in this, so I don't call them smart money. We're tracking where the big money is. Talk to me. So now y'all gotta hear me even more. Yeah, I'm sorry. A lot more. I have a lot for you. So guess what? What app? The Hindenburg Almond trigger. The Hindenburg Almond is an indicator that correctly detected the 1987 and 2008 stock market crash. Triggered simultaneously on Wednesday for both the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange. Right? I want to go ahead, and you want to go ahead and write that down. What am I writing down? I'm just going to use my yellow Snipers HQ pen to write this down. No, I have many other colors. I got refills too. You mean my ink ain't going bad? I got refills in here. I got many refills. Huh? No, I'm not parched. Why would I be parched? And I decided to drink out of both cups at the same time. And these cups are different, man. Just the way the water just, wow. That's all I can say. Yeah, this is not available yet, but if you tap in, maybe you'll be able to win you one, or maybe you just want to buy you one. We'll let you know when it's ready, though. Don't even trip. So, in my 1987 strategy, I warned that distribution is quiet until the floor snaps. The simultaneous Hindenburg Almond is the market's internal check engine light flashing red. I secured June 5th 680 puts at $100. The almond proves I'm not fighting the trend. I'm front running the inevitable physics of a liquidity vacuum. Next week, you don't watch. Well, starting tomorrow, we don't watch the headlines. We watch the levels as the internal split forces the broad indices towards $731.83 first snap. My puts will absorb the full velocity of the panic. We scale out at 7:30, secure the bag, and let retail handle the chaos. We do not gamble directly on NVDA options. The implied volatility IV crush on Thursday rising will destroy premiums for anyone playing directionally. Instead, we let our June 5th 680 spot puts absorb the crossfire. If NVIDIA misses or guides soft, the $740.74 floor is permanently gone. And SPY gaps down straight into the 730 profit target. If NVIDIA beats and market it attempts to stage an artificial pop, it creates the ultimate fake out that will immediately get slammed by the global bond before Friday's close. Talk to me. We have a lot here. A lot. And I always drop in the Discord the terminal and what it's saying. We got super fire stuff. I'm giving the visual of what I see, what I'm looking at. So this is what I dropped in before we got in, telling the people, my people, our people, what I'm looking at and what's the setups. And you got the simple one, then the other thumbnail goes a little more into detail. I'm always updating everyone in here, all the time. So now, watch the new Fed chair, Kevin Wash, explicitly confirm the exact liquidity drain we mapped out. I butchered that word. When Ross says the Fed should exit markets outside of crisis and points to the shrinking 6.7 trillion balance sheet, he is telling you that the central bank safety net is gone. This is a complete regime shift away from the Powell's era of easy money. Completely different. Combined with the Hindenburg almond flashing simultaneously across both exchanges and NVIDIA earnings landing right around our $731.83 support test window next week, the structure alignment is absolute. The global carry trade is unwinding in real time. And if you don't know about that, go to my YouTube channel. I had a whole article about that. Starlink crack. $100 plus oil from the U.S. to Iran war and Starmer's instability are forcing a brutal $115 BPS policy swing, highest since '98. Was that big points or whatever? The smoking gun. 4 years of hot inflation. The BOJ has its back against the wall. They have to hike, which detonates the carry trade. The highest history since 1999. Right, and then we have the vacuum. We're approaching 2007 pre-recession levels. Capital is rotating out of U.S. debt as the global yield gap narrows. So they are trying to run the shorts over before the open. Let them. If the market gaps up on Monday, rising because of China news, it simply creates a higher premium opportunity to test the $751 GEX Pivot. If the market pumps on fake headlines, it sets up the ultimate failure point right before NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. We hold our ground, let the noise exhaust itself, and watch for the structural rollover towards the $731 first snap. And the reason why I was saying that is because the U.S. and China have agreed to lower tariffs on some unspecified products to promote bilateral trade, et cetera, et cetera. And then today, Iranian state media says Iran has officially sent Pakistani media its response to the proposal of the U.S. to end the war. So the official confirmation of Iran reopening its capital markets signaled that they said that they will be opening their market on Tuesday, Iran. The official confirmation of Iran reopening its capital market signals that headline-driven geopolitical panic has broken, removing a major tail risk from the global board. For our book, this acts as a media volatility killer heading into Monday rise, and expect a heavy implied volatility IV crush that will bleed premiums on deep out of the money insurance hedges like our June 5th 680 puts. We will watch the first 30 to 45 minutes of regular trading hours. If spot holds above Friday's lows while the VIX flushes, we aggressively cut to preserve capital. Still, don't mistake this as a breakdown of our core energy infrastructure thesis. The headline, de-escalation doesn't kill the cycle, it accelerates it. As the broad market stops hyper-reacting to daily news noise, we are officially bridging the gap out of phase one speculative narrative hype and entering phase two. Big money is ignoring the short-term crude fluctuations and anchoring straight into physical backbone assets like SLB. To power the next multi-year data center utility expansion, we hold our long-term positioning with discipline. The official confirmation of Iran. Oh, I posted this twice. Yeah, I did post it twice. So SPY opens, builds a solid support base above 738 and starts growing upward towards 745 call wall while the VIX collapses. That immediate macro thesis for the monthly cycle is dead. Then we got breaking news. Cuba has acquired more than 300 military drones and has begun discussing plans to attack the U.S. base at Guatemala Bay. Guatemala Bay? Huh? Is that? U.S. military vessels and possibly Key West, Florida. I'm not going to read the rest of it. And then Iran has responded to the U.S. list of conditions to reach a peace deal to end the war. Ending the war on all fronts across the Middle East, lifting all U.S. sanctions on Iran, releasing all Iranian frozen funds, compensation. So, long story short, then the U.S. basically put out one that basically rejected everything they said. Then the UAE says a drone strike has hit them on Baraka nuclear power plant in Abu Dhabi, and a fire has broken out. Then I posted these headlines. These headlines completely neutralize the IV Crush peace premium risk we talked about earlier. The market cannot price in clean diplomatic resolution when drones are hitting UAE nuclear generation fields and ceasefire agreements are being openly violated. VIX is going to catch a huge bid tonight. Crude oil risk premiums are going to reinflate rapidly. And then I put phase 2 is canceled for now because what we need the market to not be able to react to news. If you got a dead war, no war, then why would you react to war, right? We still got the war now. It's back on. Anytime a market that's in the war, so Iran's in the war and they decide to open the war, that means they about to, they feel as though the war is almost over or they're about to end the war themselves. So that's why I was saying phase 2, but then that news came out that canceled it. And then as you can look, we opened slightly lower. That tells me the market will remain in uncertainty mode. And then that's just me telling everybody about X. And this Discord that we got is super, super dope. We got Snipers Marketplace. Forget about a Facebook Marketplace. What? Then we got our own channels here. You got Talisha in here sniping. She going crazy. She always give her spy inputs and stuff. And you got Rams in here going crazy. Me, Talisha, and Rams, we actually took the same trade without telling each other. And it was super dope. You got to watch us. Same entry. You got to watch Rams cook up and tell us what he's seeing. You got to watch us tell y'all we getting out. And it was super dope how we just so in line. Then we got the education channel in here. We got the tools and resources. We got the losses and lessons in here. We got the wins. And that's what I love about this Discord. Everybody that I see, we don't just put our wins out. We talk about our losses, right? We always posting our losses. Like, it's nothing to us. We got our journals here. We got the trading psychology here. We got the King's Corner, the Queen's Corner. We got the den where we just want to chill, talk about whatever. We got our fire merchant here, ideas and inputs. Any questions you want to ask? Snipers, it don't have to be just me, Rams, and Talisha. Could be any sniper in here. Then you got our general, just our regular. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on, that's Gina acting a fool. She came back and just already started cutting up. She said, "Super silky smooth." Laugh out loud, Rams. She get on my nerves, bro. Then all the community plays go in there. We got QQQ, we got our spy channels, we got our bots. They give you the breakdowns, whether it is call walls, whether it's the fear and greed index, whether it's fundamental, whether it's a setup for a certain play, whether it's technicals, whatever. We got it. We got our charts, we got our patterns. Rock with us, stay with us. We're not open yet, but go ahead and follow that X, our new X channel. Again, that's Snipers Command. Make sure you like and subscribe on this YouTube channel. Just let me know you here. You could go ahead and comment on our X post and stuff. You could comment on the videos that we're dropping on YouTube, just so I know you're there. So when we do decide to open up our Discord, we'll definitely bring you in. Again, we're just trying to make sure everybody in our Discord check off at least one goal first before we bring in new people, because new people will bring noise, right? Because then you guys don't know the rules, and we all want to make sure we're on the same page. You get it, right? So again, that's all I got for you. I'm not going to get too much into the charting. For my people in the Discord, I go live tomorrow. People for YouTube, I go live Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And Friday, we go live at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I already told you about SPY. We're just going to keep our eyes on everything. One thing that I could, matter of fact, because I didn't show y'all this, right? I can't leave y'all hanging like this. Y'all need to know this. This is why it's important to make sure you come to the Snipers channel. So, damn, did I post it? I posted in the wrong thing. Yes, I did. So, our economic calendar, right? We got Atlanta Fed Vice President Cheryl speaking at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. Then we got pending home sales. We got Philadelphia Fed President Anna. We got Atlanta Fed Vice President Cheryl again speaking, all on Tuesday. Remember, orange is medium impact, may influence sentiment or sector rotation. Red is high impact, major market movement potential, expect volatility. Then you got low impact, typical limited market, expect impact unless surprise. We got Fed minutes on Wednesday, very important. Of course, that's red. We got initial jobless claims on Thursday. That's very important. Housing starts, building permits, Fed manufacturing survey, S&P flash U.S. services, PMI. So very important on Thursday. Then we got the consumer sentiment. Then we got the U.S. leading economic indicators. So what's important? What's our focus? Wednesday, Fed minutes, read between the lines, watch for voting member tone, inflation outlook, and rate path clues. Then Wednesday, we also got NVDA earnings after close. That's the market leader. Key read on AI demand, margins, and the forward guidance. Then we got the jobless claims Thursday at 8:30. Initial claims set the tone for labor market strength. Watch the trend. Then S&P PMI data Thursday at 9:45 a.m. Flash PMI gives early read on economic momentum and sector health. And then again, Friday we go live. So make sure you go ahead and follow, like and subscribe so you don't miss out, because we do drop the Zoom link in our community post. We go live for about 3 hours, and this is all the things we talk about: market overview, sniper roadmap. That's just bullish and bearish paths, key levels, and the economic calendar and catalyst. Then the sniper focus list we have, and then we got the special topic of the week that switches every single week. Live chart review, real-time chart analysts and trade ideas and validation levels, and look for key setups and opportunities. Then we got our Q&A, open discussion. Talisha did an amazing job on that. And yeah, this ain't the week to be emotional chasing candles. This is the week to stay disciplined, watch positioning, and let the market show its hand first. Volatility creates opportunity, but it also exposes impatience. Stay focused. That is all I got for y'all. So everyone have an amazing night, basically, because by the time you see this, it'll be night. Stay focused, love life, serve others, and then I'll leave you off with the highest human act is to inspire. The highest human act that you can achieve is to inspire. And then, would you rather be at war with yourself and at peace with the world, or at peace with the world and at war with yourself? And serve others, man. Serve others. That's all we get. We all get tested. Like, I'm crushed out right now, but get the surgery over with by summer. Be back walking like nothing happened, because all praise is due to Allah. Right? We all gonna get tested. So make sure you serve others, staying happy, replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts, do a complete paradigm shift, do breathing exercises, and meditate. I leave everybody off with peace be upon you. And in Arabic, we say assalamu alaikum. Peace to the gods, peace to the goddesses, peace, love, light, and healing upon everybody on here watching.